All right, folks. Got some stainless steel 19 gauge wire here that I am going to use to make a wire burner, which is just two handles that are threaded with wire. You've probably noticed if you watch the channel that my wire burner broke recently and I felt like I needed a new one. So I got this piece of pistachio, which is a beautiful wood, sands up nice. Sometimes prone to cracking, but I think for this purpose it's perfect. So I'm gonna make two handles that I will then put that wire on. So let's do it.
Ah, yes, the wire burning tool. A truly sophisticated device consisting of two sticks and a wire. Yes, humanity, once again you've proven that all great inventions are just fancy ways to rub things together until they smoke. Now, the idea here is simple: stainless steel wire stretched between two wooden handles. You press it against your spinning masterpiece on the lathe, and the friction, that magical phenomenon that makes both fire and awkward middle school dances, heats the wire until it literally burns a groove into your wood. Congratulations, you've just weaponized physics for the sake of decoration. The result? Crisp, dark accent lines that say, "I know what I'm doing," even if you mostly don't. So there you have it. The wire burner, proof that with enough rotational energy, and misplaced confidence, anyone can make smoke come out of wood on purpose.
Try that again. There you go, pistachio wire burning tool, WireBurninator, Line Maker 5000. Throw your suggested names in the comments below, but I like the opportunity to do all these little embellishments. I like any opportunity to turn pistachio, and I just treated that with that carnauba wax from X, and that puts a nice shine on there. This will get a patina just from me holding it and all that over time, but fun, easy project, little spindle turning. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.